या बिखर जाए, परेशानियों से दुखी रहे या मेहनत कर और सिखर पाए। Very good afternoon to all of you. We, the Fantastic Five, is gonna present you, give the presentation of today's. So, I know you all are wondering why we choose this group name Fantastic Five, because we individually have a unique skill set, knowledge, personality, behavior, and together we became an asset of the IDBI bank and contribute towards success of the bank. And the next thing is, I know why you thought that why we choose this beautiful butterfly to represent our learnings, key takeaways, and so. Basically, we learned four pillars, and this butterfly contains four wings, and all four wings are very important. And if butterflies one wing is damaged and broken, so butterfly is unable to fly properly. So that's why we chose this butterfly to represent our learnings and now I would like to invite my all group members to give the presentation.
So guys, as he explained that there will be four pillars. It explained by ma'am also now in the presentation. And the reason for choosing butterflies is well said by him, and also that butterflies are full of colors. And as a banker, we know that we are filling colors into the lives of our customers. So that is very important, and these four pillars are based on those colors that we fill into the life of our customers, and that are discipline, compliance, and controls and ethics. First, accountability second, work-life fulfillment third, and podium journey is fourth. So discipline, compliance, and controls and ethics will be explained by Siddharth.
So discipline and compliance means that we follow bank has certain regulations and set by a bank and the governing body which is RBI. So we need to follow all the rules and regulations and act accordingly to that only. So that's comes under discipline and compliance. Accountability means having the responsibilities and taking up the responsibilities, credibilities, and ownership of your work, which the bank has assigned us to do, and that also leads to customer satisfaction.
Okay, next one is the work-life fulfillment. How can we get work-life balance, work-life fulfillment rather than work-life balance? We should be adaptable. We should adapt to the changing circumstances when we are posted in the branches or in the RACs. And next is the podium journey.
Podium journey is basically when we win a competition, there would be certain number of steps. At first I was there, third I was. So our vision of our bank is कि हमको top करना है ना podium journey. That is what we want to bring to the table of our customers as well. And that can only come when we consider ourselves as one for all or all for one. So that could only be accomplished when we can be able to do the teamwork, because teamwork can also make the dream work. That can help us to achieve the vision of our shareholders, and continuous learning and updation should also be a part of our podium journey. Because bankers have change as a constant variable in their whole circulars and products. So change can never be ignored, and it can only be embraced when we can start working on ourselves on a very continuous basis. So continuous learning and updation is also important to achieve the podium journey goal for our bank. And the last is accountability. Also, along with this, our few takeaways were to take the initiative, because as a banker, it's very important for us. We can cross-sell and upsell the products, and that can only be done when we can able to take the initiative. Because change is always there, and we need to adjust ourselves into those places, and for that we need to be very adaptable, embrace change, delivering more for compliance and knowledge. Compliance is very important because to be compliant is a point where it is a point where we are almost neglecting and mitigating the risk and complaints. Next is foster a culture of respect and inclusion and look for positivity. If we'll see good in the things will come back to us. So it is very important for us to look for positivity and then embrace continuous learning. So this was the key takeaways and conclusion for our chart. The next activity is that topic was given to us. It's